Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase language retention with Memrise easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Memrise app from your device's app store or accessing the website on your computer. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, choose the language you want to learn. Explore the available courses and select one that matches your proficiency level. Familiarize yourself with the course structure to understand how content is organized. Begin your first lesson by clicking on the chosen course. As the lesson starts, pay attention to the audio pronunciations included. Repeat the words and phrases out loud to practice your pronunciation. Take advantage of the spaced repetition system, which helps reinforce what you've learned. Use the Learn feature to introduce new vocabulary and concepts. Incorporate review sessions to strengthen retention of previously learned items. Engage with the listening and reading exercises to diversify your learning approach. Utilize the difficult words feature to focus on vocabulary you find challenging. Explore the community section to connect with other learners and share tips. Participate in group challenges to stay motivated and track your progress. Make a habit of daily practice, even for short sessions, to enhance retention. Consider setting specific goals for your language learning journey. Take notes during your lessons to reinforce what you are learning. Utilize Memrise gamified elements to make learning enjoyable and rewarding. Check your statistics regularly to monitor improvements and adjust your learning strategy accordingly. Finally, immerse yourself in the language through music, movies, or conversation to complement your learning on Memrise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are active. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.